Introducing my homemade chocolate coconut matcha truffles. Let's go through all the ingredients we will need to make these matcha chocolate truffles. The first ingredient is white chocolate. So this is sweetened white chocolate, 150 grams of it. If you're gonna make it keto friendly, then you'll be using 150 grams of the raw cocoa butter and adding a few drops of the stevia for the sweetness. The next key ingredient is the pumpkin seed protein. We'll be using 30 grams of that, equaling a total of 20 grams of protein for the entire batch, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 5 grams of the organic matcha, I'm using this brand today, a touch of Himalayan sea salt to really bring out all the flavor, 50 grams of unsweetened shredded coconut, and 100 grams of 80% dark chocolate. First step is using a double boiler, meaning having a pot and putting your bowl on top of it to melt the white chocolate. Time to add in all the ingredients and don't forget the sea salt and stir, stir, stir. Once all your ingredients are mixed in, you're gonna place it into your molds. I like using a plastic wrap so it's easier to pull out once it's been cooled in the fridge. Once the white chocolate mixture has cooled, the trick is to have an aluminum pan that's cold. So stick it in the fridge so that once you take them out of the mold, they will remain hard before we enrobe it with dark chocolate. It's now time to carefully enrobe each of these white chocolate truffles with dark chocolate. For an added touch, add a little bit of matcha snow over your chocolate truffles. Enjoy, and until next time, relish every bite.